If I beat that steamer, cause all him are teamers. I don't know if I will gonna beat them, but she's not camper. Wait, hindi naman sila camper, ganon. Di naman sila camper. Pero ang problema natin is she's the murderer. Shoot him. This is teamer 1. And this is teamer 2. Annalisa. That is a teamer 1. This is the teamer 1. She's elite. And I don't know where's the teamer 2. Oh, she left the game. She's always AFK, bro. What the hell? She's always AFK. Okay, let's wait. Doon, murder tayo. Naka-ninja tayo. Ito guys, sakit ito guys. Lo, ano yun? I-replay ko yun. What the hell? What the hell is this avatar, bro? I don't like this avatar anymore. She's so noob. I don't like his avatar. Like, bro, what the? Oh, she changed his avatar. What the hell? She even changed his avatar, bro. Nag-change siya avatar. Oh my god, that's cheater. Bro, don't sit down. She's not even AFK, bro. She's moving. Just like boom. I'm gonna... What the? What the hell? Bro, she didn't even know how to play this game. So many. How you can beat the... Look at the... She have some gadget. Guys, tagay ko godly. Anything godly. Charot. Bow chirip, ay gagi. Ba yun nakakainis? Sheriff naman, uy! Gusto ko ipakita yung skills ko. Ay, charot, hindi. Kasi ng teddy bear. Agay. Kita ko na yung merg. Go! What the hell is that? Guys, makik-trade adaga ng elite, uy. Makik-trade kaya ta. Ay, cancel sa ito ta. I want to yung profile if she have so many, mini godly. Uy, tanginang yan. Meron siya godly. Kik-trade kaya tayo. Hala, kind siya, no? Kundi siya i-trade natin. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Kaki siya, guys. Guys, ito yung username ko, guys. Bago account to, ito yung username ko. Username ko, yan. Yan yung username ko, ito. Ayan. Yan yung username ko, guys. Yan yung username ko, guys. Nag-a-accept ako. Yes. Yes, nag-a-accept ako. Huy, no. Kasi nyo ako pala hindi nag-accept. Sikit kasi. Patay natin siya. Wait lang. Tingnan muna natin yung, niya, profile. If kapag may, siya, madami siyang, If may madami siyang mga godly. Oy, uy! Madami siyang godly sa Christmas. Dami siyang godly, pero yung iba hindi godly. Dami siyang godly. Trade tayo sa kanya. Ay, naka-off trade siya, gagi. Mali sa akin. Tingnan natin yung... Oh my God, ang dami. I think nabili niya na to lahat. Aray mo. Ang mundo ay panaginip lang. Ang mundo ay panaginip lang. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Alam ko to paano gawin. Ang mundo ay panaginip. Pero sa pabalik ko tapos di ko na alam. Ito yung share. Saan yung gun? Ko alam saan yung gun. Patay yung patay yung sheriff. Ay! Uy! Ano ba yan? Di pa nga tapos nakakuha sa gun. Patayin tayo agad. Nakakainis tong taong to. Saan na naman yung merge? So guys, this is all my video today. Bye-bye. Yun lang po. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.